Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my 5 best laptop product review. Adreamer LeoBook13 laptop, 8GB RAM, 1TB SSD, 13.3-inch 2560 by 1600 display. Intel Celeron N4020, ships from US. Experience ultra-fast performance and a stunning visual experience with the Adreamer LeoBook13 notebook. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor, this sleek and lightweight laptop is built for multitasking, productivity, and entertainment. With 8GB of RAM and a massive 1TB SSD, you'll enjoy quick boot-ups, seamless app switching, and ample storage for your photos, documents, and media files. The 13.3-inch Full HD Plus 2560 by 1600 resolution display brings sharp clarity and vibrant colors, ideal for streaming, browsing, or creative work. Designed for professionals and students alike, the LeoBook13 offers long battery life, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a silent cooling system for uninterrupted workflow. Ships directly from the US warehouse for fast and reliable delivery. P60Pro high-end global tablet, 16GB RAM, 1TB storage, Android 14, 10-inch display, 20,000 mAh battery, 5G, Dual SIM plus keyboard bundle. Take your mobile computing to the next level with the P60Pro Global Version Tablet PC. Designed for performance and versatility, it's powered by the latest Android 14 OS and features a 10-inch HD Plus display for crisp visuals. Enjoy lightning-fast multitasking with 16GB of RAM, while the 1TB internal storage ensures you never run out of space for apps, videos, or documents. Its massive 20,000 mAh battery keeps you powered through long days of work, study, or travel, and 5G dual SIM support gives you the speed and freedom to stay online anywhere. Bundled with a premium keyboard, this tablet easily transforms into a compact workstation, perfect for business users, students, or digital creators who need performance on the go. HP Victus 15-inch gaming laptop, Intel Core i5-12450H, 64GB RAM, 4TB SSD, GeForce RTX 3050, Windows 11 Home, Blue. Unleash next-level gaming performance with the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop. Engineered for serious gamers, this powerhouse features the Intel Core i5-12450H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics, delivering smooth, high FPS gameplay and stunning ray-traced visuals. With 64GB DDR4 RAM and an enormous 4TB SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast load times, zero lag, and enough space to store your entire game library, creative projects, and more. The 15-inch Full HD display provides rich detail and color precision, while the custom cooling system keeps performance optimized during intense sessions. Wrapped in a sleek blue chassis, the HP Victus combines durability, performance, and style, making it the perfect choice for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand excellence. Xiaman 15.6-inch Intel Notebook PC Gamer Ultra Slim Laptop, Intel Celeron N4000, 16GB RAM, 1TB per 2TB SSD, Windows 11 Pro. The Xiaman 15.6-inch Ultra Slim Notebook combines style, speed, and power for gamers and professionals on the go. Equipped with the Intel Celeron N4000 processor, this laptop offers solid performance for daily computing, light gaming, and multimedia entertainment. With 16GB of high-speed RAM and your choice of 1TB or 2TB SSD storage, it handles multitasking effortlessly, yet powerful. The Xiaman notebook is ideal for work, study, or play, wherever you are.